Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Talk Now Live. So grateful that you guys have decided to spend some more time with us once again on this beautiful, Tuesday? This beautiful Tuesday afternoon for us. We are so grateful. Patches and I are both here. Patches almost didn't make it. There was a funny story I'm going to tell you about with Patches in a little while. But first, let's get a few more people in here and we'll tell the funny story. Patches turned into a not so nice dog. Let's put it that way. All right, but not because of me, but because of someone else that came here. All right, so thank you so much. We started another trend, or the trend is still going. This is now the second show in a row where you guys have been generous enough to donate before the show has started. Really appreciate that. It's a nice, warm, welcoming feeling to see the super chat love come in, the super chats and super stickers prior to us even being here. A few minutes before the show, it's really it's I don't know how to explain it. It's humbling. We have a lot of gratitude for it. It's very touching, if you will. Thank you so much to Selmo Fudd for the $5 donation. He says Crypto Talk Now with £1. And also, I'm trying to make this a little tradition, but I forget. I want to give an extra special thank you to our initial focus group members to shape the direction of the network. And also, if you want to be on this list, the reason why they're on the list is because they're members of the YouTube channel. And we are going to start something new, which is the Patreon. We're revamping it. It's coming out August 1st. So these are the OGs of the OGs. Edward Vincent, Samuel, don't call me Captain Hook, Legrand Commission, Kramit, Michael Cornwell, Crypto Lotto Group, Tim Shea says, hey, Selmo Fudd, and of course, Common Sense, who's the first ever member. You see, Selmo Fudd is on the list right there, number 2, the second person ever to join. So we appreciate all of you guys being the OGs of the OGs. Now, let's talk about the rest of the appreciation, which is all the rest of the beautiful people here. We're going to talk about you guys, and then we're going to talk about so much news. Oh, my God. Couldn't believe I don't want to sound like a girl saying, oh, my God. Can we believe it? Can we believe possibly, perhaps we are not in a bull run, or I don't even know what we're in. Is the old man come out of the cave? They're secretly meeting in an underground cave right now. I haven't heard any news. There is so much news. I haven't heard exactly what's going on, when the meeting started. I really don't care. I'm just waiting to see what they raise interest rates by, and that's it. But there's a lot of news here to talk about. There's recession fears. Really, we're already in a recession. You don't need me to tell you that. Just go to the grocery store. All right, thank you. Cool Cat Crypto. And that's not just because of prices. Do you ever notice when you go to the store now, there's a lot of things you can't find? The shelves are not always full. Let's just put it nicely. Cool Cat Crypto is back. He's a royal cat. We appreciate you. Yoga Matt is back, too. He gives us the peace sign. He's wearing shades. Perhaps he's in the sun. Cool Cat Crypto. He's got fish, and he's chasing it because he's a cat. He likes to eat seafood, perhaps. The Jin, what's up, everyone in the chat? Larry, how are you doing today? We're doing great. Patches is doing great. Oh, he actually asked that. How is Patches doing? We're all doing great. There was a funny story about, I'll tell you the story since you said Patches. Okay, so there was another abrupt knock at the door just a little while ago, about 30 minutes prior to the show starting. I'm like, oh, let's see who this is. I have no idea, but Patches doesn't charge to the door, but he stands up. I wish you could have happened on camera. It would have been really funny. He stands up. The hair actually goes up on the back of his back. The hair goes up on his back and his neck. It's like he's extra alert. He's turning on his radar. Normally, he just looks like an innocent sleeping dog, and then all of a sudden, he turns into a ferocious beast. He has the most deepest, darkest bark known to man. It is as scary as hell. If I was on the other side of the door, I'd be scared. I don't scare too easily with animals, but I would be at least unnoticed. So I'm like, who is this? And so I kid you not, I'm watching the camera. I have a way of seeing the camera in here in the studio. I'm looking at outdoor cameras. There's several cameras here on the property, which is interesting. Not only for security, look at wildlife. So there's a big knock on the door. He gets up, slowly walks to the door, but barking the whole way. I'm watching the camera. This guy literally flies off the front porch. An older man goes about 10 feet. I kid you not. I don't want to show it. I can't, for privacy reasons, I probably can't replay that. on here, but that would just be bad. All right, so he went 10 feet backwards. It turned out it was just an innocent thing, or maybe it wasn't so innocent. I hope it wasn't what he was giving me. It was the electric company was here with a new meter. They said, "Oh, I'm sorry to bother you, sir. I'm sorry." I said, "I'm sorry. I can't hear you over my dog barking. Hold on a second." I had to walk out there. The bark was so loud and vicious. And he's all the way off the steps. He's in between the steps and his truck. He made the mistake of driving all the way down the driveway. Probably should have stayed down the road because that was the first thing that Patches heard. He started to be alert. So anyway, so he comes here and he says, "I'm sorry to bother you, sir." No, I was like, no problem. And he's like, because I can see the electric thing on there. And he's like, well, your meter is not communicating very well. So we need to change it out. And so I'm going to have to turn your power off. And I said, "Oh, shoot. I've got something going on at 3:00 with a bunch of people online." And he says, "Oh, don't worry about it. It'll literally be out for 2 through 3 seconds." I was like, "Okay, go ahead." And he comes out with the meter and I'm just, shoot, I hope it's not one of those smart meters. I've never seen a meter get changed before. I hope it's not another level of control. I haven't heard about the smart meter thing in a long time, but it was just peculiar none the least. But it would have been great. One day, if Patches jumps up and you hear that deep bark, it would be interesting for everyone here in the family to hear. All right, Coochie Boy. We do have a lot of things to talk about crypto, I promise. I just thought I would be human and tell you a little bit about our human experience here today. All right, Coochie Boy. What's up? The gym. Tim Shea says, "Hey, Star Dog, word to the peeps." That's another thing. That's a modern term, right? Word peeps. Look, Patches, sometimes I think about what he might be like as a man. I think that Patches perhaps would be a G. He would be the guy if Patches was human, he would be the guy walking into the club whenever he wanted to and walking out with two, probably the most beautiful ladies in the club. He just has that presence about him. If he was a man, that's what he would be like, a real G, successful and everything else. Okay. Coochie Boy, Shay. Coochie Boy word. Tim Shea says Coochie Boy. Cool Cat Crypto says good dog. Brian Dahlia says, "What's up to the dogs? What's up, dogs?" Burned by Saitama, one of the best screen names of all time. Because it's funny. And it's even funnier that he's a Volt guy now. He's got his Volt NFT in his avatar. What's up, team? Go Volt. Tim Shea, Cool Cat. Iron Lux Trader, recently recipient of another person that got a wrench. All right, whatever you want to say. Thank you so much for being here. Iron Lux Trader. No one says it better than I do as far as your screen name. All right, Tim Shea, Brian, Cool Cat Crypto. Hello, Tim and everyone. Tim Shea, Iron. That's great. You guys are all saying hello to one another. Well, Patches is scratching. All right. So, too much. What's up, Larry? I'm going to call you Schlep Rock from the Flintstones if my count keeps going down. Well, you heard it here first. Or maybe you didn't hear it here first. I told you guys in the last couple of weeks, in the short term, Bitcoin would go to 23, perhaps 24,000. Not convicted about the 24,000 part. But I was right. Of course, I was right. Not saying I'm always right, but it was right. It'll go to 23 or 24,000 in the short term, which happened in that 2-week period. And then it'll have a sharp correction from there and perhaps even a crash. That's exactly what has happened. Now, we'll see if we're going to get the crash. I'm not so sure about that part, but we have had that correction. So, there's a lot of news coming out this week. I wouldn't be surprised if there was a relief rally because in traditional markets, you know what I'm talking about, equity markets, they already factor in rate increases. I'm sure they're doing the same thing with crypto. Are we going to be throwing a curveball? Is it going to be 100 basis points instead of 75? I don't really know. If it's 50 basis points, the market might go nuts. It might just be a big, huge pump from there. Iron Lux Trader. Hello, Crypto Talk family. Tim Shea. Hey, too much. Too much. Hey, Tim. Coochie Boy Lux. Stardog. Didn't the states run out of baby food recently? They did. I'm not surprised. That's news to me, but I'm not surprised. And that'll give you an indication, whether it's done by design or not. That just shows you that the economy is somewhat hindered. There are issues. It's like the beautiful girl that you meet, the beautiful lady, And she has usually the more, well, I can't say. Sometimes really beautiful girls have problems. So, she's got, she's great on the outside. The economy looks good maybe for some people on the outside, but when you find and dig deeper into it, there are definitely red flags and issues. Iron Lux Trader, Tim, good evening. Iron Lux Trader, Coochie Boy, Cool Cat Crypto, an hour from now, I guess we get some news. All right, well, that's good. I'm glad you told me that because I'm not paying attention to exactly when it's coming out. I don't know if it's coming out today or tomorrow because I know it's a 2-day meeting. But if the Fed is coming out with an announcement in an hour, thank you so much. Now let's see. Let's see, pay attention to what's going on because here you go. Thank you to, well, let's take a quick look at the equity markets. Look, S&P is, it's down a little over 1%. The Dow is down a little, 0.75% or so. NASDAQ down a couple percent. All right. So the markets are just like, okay, let's, whatever. Typical day. There's no extreme crash. There's no extreme pump. There's nothing like that going on in equity markets in the U.S. at least. Okay, but this right here, the recession fears and rising. Is it said the right way? Recession fears and rising rates. All right, yeah, rising rates. Okay, they're right. Are a buying opportunity for affluent Americans. This is when the wealth makes their money. Yes, thank you so much, Yahoo Finance, courtesy of Fortune. I guess it's from Fortune magazine. Sophie Malor, thank you for a great headline right there. That is correct. This is when the wealthy make their money. And this is the chance for you guys to make your money, whether you're wealthy or not. They could put in there, this is the chance for intelligent people to make their money. It doesn't have to just be the wealthy. It doesn't have to be. If you're not already wealthy, this is your chance. All right. Soaring inflation and rising interest rates are sending shockwaves through the markets. Are they really? And stoking fears of a recession. We're already in a recession. But that hasn't stopped America's most wealthy from increasing and borrowing in the first half of the year. Let's see how much they borrow when the rates keep going up. The wealth management units of Morgan Stanley and Bank of America both posted double-digit loan growth in the second quarter, brought on by a rise in mortgages and loans backed by assets like stocks and bond portfolios. Okay. The rich spend their money differently from the poor. Well, that's true. The wealthy Americans fared better in the pandemic than the poor counterparts. A stock market and real estate boom. There was also the crypto bull run, right? They didn't put that in there. This is not really about crypto, but that's fine. I can't expect everybody to talk about crypto all the time, which drove up the value of assets owned by the rich, coupled with ultra low interest rates. You see, money was cheap, which gave them cheap. Oh, there it is, cheap debt. That's what the rich do. They use debt. They don't use their money. They collateralize their assets and use debt to make further what? Money. That's how it works. Despite rising interest rates and faltering stock market, the growth of asset-backed borrowing indicates a resilient economic sentiment for richer U.S. consumers who rallied against recession fears in the first half of 2022. All right, so that's just as much as I want to read there. Now, thank you to that. Again, we'll thank her, Sophie Malor. Thank you for the article. Appreciate it. All right, so let's get back to the comments. We'll get into some more news and articles and fun stuff. Cool Cat Crypto, market dropping now. Insiders must know already. Well, do they? Of course they do, but do they? Is this a setup? Is this going to be like, let's scare the hell out of people? Let's scare everybody in the retail segment, retail investors, stock market, crypto market, everything. We're all going to die. They're scaring everybody and then drive it down and then they can buy back in and there's a relief rally. Let's see. I'm not sure. I'm actually really, really not sure if there's going to be a relief rally or just a further correction or an all-out beginning of the crash. I don't know. I would think that it's not going to be an all-out. I don't think it's going to be an extreme thing. I don't think it's going to be an all-out crash, and I don't think it's going to be an all-out bull run. So I think it's going to be something like either a correction or a further correction or a relief rally once the interest rates are announced. And then we got GDP estimates coming out the 28th. So that's 2 days from now. All right. Smash the like button. I think Patch's allergies are starting to kick up again. He has some skin allergies, and that's why he's itching so much. Eddie T. Sorry. Tim, too much. How are you doing? Too much. What's up, Eddie T? Cool Cat Crypto. Please, God, give me 25 cents XRP, 6 cents XLM, and 1 cent XTC. Yes, this is what we're talking about. XDC. All right. So look. That's the thing. Here is the top 100. A sea of red. Look at that. Interestingly enough, Hex is up 4%. All right, so it's going against the market. That's fine. What's in the favorites? Here it is. Everything is red, and except for Hex once again, because it is in my top 100 favorites. All right, so yeah, so I'm looking at this. I probably should put. I think it's number 195 VThor. Let's put VThor. Did I put VThor? I'm gonna put VThor in there. All right, so it's not quite. Oops. Not quite top 100, but I got to keep an eye on that. All right, so there it is. Put VThor in there. It's related to VET, of course, part of the same ecosystem. All right, so look, this is what's going on. XTC, he mentioned, it's falling further. I resisted the FOMO. I did not buy in yet, but it's falling further. We'll see if it pumps after the announcement. Now, he said XRP. Look, XRP, are we getting closer to 25 cents? Somewhat. We're now at 32. Is that the 24? Is that the 12-week low? Let's see. Year. Oh my God. Look at that. No, it's not. Not 12 weeks. Sorry. 12-month. It's not the 12-month low. The 12-month low was back here. That's when I was, all right. June 18th. Told you on June 2nd, Bitcoin was going to June 2nd. If you guys remember, I told you guys back on June 2nd that back when Bitcoin was 30,000, and you guys can go back and watch the tape or whatever they call it, recorded video. Going back and watch it, June 2nd, I said at that moment in time, some point in the future, before the end of the year, Bitcoin will touch 12,000. Doesn't mean it's going to end up that way, but it's going to hit 12,000. Well, since that time, we've gone down. Yeah, so is this the bottom here? Was this the bottom back on June 18th? I don't know. I'm hoping, just like Cool Cat, that it gets down to 25 cents. Why? Larry, just start dollar cost averaging in now. Yes, that is good. Look, if you guys are dollar cost averaging in now, I'm not saying that's a bad idea at all. Actually, I'm saying that's actually probably a good idea. I'm trying to not just get up to the plate and hit I'm not trying to reach safely. I'm not just trying to hit a single up the middle. I'm actually trying to do something crazy and hit a grand slam. I want to hit it like out of the whole ballpark and win the game, the World Series, everything. I'm trying to do something that goes against the grain for my own personal core investing belief. And that is not dollar cost average, but try to do just this. Can Larry just do it one time? Can I just try to time it so that I'm close to the bottom as possible? Larry is still fixated, Patches is still fixated on Luna Classic. All right. So sorry, I actually called my dog myself. All right. That's how messed up my brain is. Didn't get much sleep, but look, this is my second cup of coffee. Iron Lux Trader, Cool Cat, Star Dog. That's funny because my real. All right. Oh, Star Dog. My real name is G. Okay, cool. Nate Nay. Hey, folks. Star Dog's a G. Jason T. McNamara. All right. Hey, Larry and Crypto Talk Now fam. Hey, thank you so much for being here. Relatively new, but this is probably his 5th or 6th show in a row. Appreciate you being here, and we welcome you with open arms. Cool Cat Crypto at Iron Lux Trader. We welcome everyone with open arms, even the ones that don't agree with us. Iron Lux Trader, welcome everyone to the live. Smash the like button. Yeah, I forgot to mention that. If you could do that, that'd be great. Mood. Hello, everyone. Does anyone know the new Fed interest rate? New rate for today. We do not know that as of yet. Cool Cat said it's going to be announced maybe in about an hour. We'll have to wait and see. I'm gonna have to, I can't turn on the TV because I don't watch TV, except for to watch baseball. That's all I watch through an app, MLB Network. That's it. I don't watch any TV. The rest of my news comes from reading. But we'll have to see. I'll have to figure it out when the announcement is. I'll have to go back and read that. All right. You know what? Well, we can check it out later. All right, we'll check it a little later. Tim Shea, hey, Eddie T. Jason is saying, Larry, did you see my post on the Facebook page? No, I did not, but we can try to pull it up. Hold on one second. Let me go into Twitter. I got to put a Facebook account on here. All right. Oh, by the way, do you guys like the thumbnail? You see, it's red. I'm trying to just do fun things where I just, That's it. Put some coin. Well, these coins were already there. This is an older thumbnail. I just, I threw the word red on there. Why? Because everything is red for the most part, except for Hex, I guess. And you're looking in the top 100. All right, currently red. That's it. It's a sea of red. All right, so let's pull this back and let's get into the link. All right, bear with me 1 second while I slowly pull up slowly. I got to find the link. Jeff Pruden sent it to me a while back. All right, so Jeff hasn't. Where is he? Marshall, Common Sense, Samuel, Captain. All right. Oh, Jeff. All right, here you go. There it is. Boom. All right, so here is the official. If you guys are still on Facebook, the place where it's not so free. Freedom of speech is not so free, but we have to be there anyway because we're trying to go to war a little bit with Facebook because we are champions for freedom of speech. All right, so you can go to the official page, which is Crypto Talk Now official page in parentheses. They shut us down from streaming. I don't know why. I have no clue why. All we did was just stream one of our regular crypto shows. So here it is. So so Jason is okay. So Jay Thomas. Oh, here he is. Hey guys, I just want to introduce myself. I'm Jason T. McNamara on YouTube. I love your show. See y'all at 3. Larry, I talked to you about lobster.co the other day, but you were unfamiliar. This is what I was talking about. I used this wallet to buy my XRP and XLM. Okay, I was wondering your thoughts on this if you get a chance to research it. All right. Also, do you or anyone else maybe know how I can move XRP to XUMM from Uphold? I can't seem to figure it out. All right. So thanks in advance. All right. Thank you. I did not see that. That's a great thing to do. All right. So look at this. All right. Can we bounce? I'm not sure. All right. So this is some technical analysis stuff. Here's some memes. All right, cool. That's what you guys need to do. Just fill this up with stuff. And that's a great question. I'll have to research this offline. Thank you in advance for your continued support. All right, thanks. Coochie Boy. Star Dog. Yes, the formula because of the vendor shutdown manufacturing. Mood. Does anyone know the Fed base rate? We're going to have to wait and see. They're coming out with an announcement today or tomorrow. Garrett. Hello, everyone. Why is there a new token, Van Luna Classic? The Lunatics token. They better keep it to Luna Classic. Well, I think it's a BNB side thing. These guys come up with the idea of burning Luna Classic with that token. I did not get into it. Max talked about it. I don't know if he invested in it either, but it's interesting. I asked him, I guess I should put it up. Let's put up the Twitter thing, shall we? All right. So where is it? This one? Okay, there it is. I asked those guys, but they didn't listen to me. And I'm certainly not going to message them first. If the Luna Classic, or what is it called? The Lunatics token. If you guys want to reach out to me so we can talk further, well, we haven't talked at all. If we can talk for the first time, I have some questions for you. So I'm not going to go to them because I don't ever do that. And when I do that, it doesn't work. So they have to come to me. Crypto Talk Now 21. By the way, you guys get into the contest for the WAGMI NFT I'm giving away. We're giving away on August 15th. Just message me, Crypto Talk Now 21. Follow Max on Twitter as well. Message me the word giveaway and you're in. You can do it once a day. It increases your odds of winning. All right. So it's a nice little fun giveaway. Wizard Sell. I think that the NFTs work between 0.7 and 1 ETH. Welcome back, Wizard Sell from the movie 7. Is Google and Microsoft earnings numbers up yet? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if they've posted their earnings. Google pretty much runs the world. Also owns YouTube, as you know. It's pretty much run by the most powerful people on earth at this point. Garrett, sorry about the Dutch word van. Has to be from. All right, has to be from. Okay, I got you. That's okay. It's no issues, my friend. All right, Edward Vincent tunes in. First thing here, we are all going to die. And Patches is cleaning himself. Hello, team. Yeah, that's funny. Well, that's what I'm saying in the news. When I'm reading the news, we're all going to die. Maybe that's what they're trying to do is drive the price down. And then the Fed comes out with the rates. It's no big deal. And everything pumps. I don't know. Yeah. All right. Salamander in space. Hello. Just bought today another $400 of XTC. Good for you. That's on my short list for sure. Very, very short list. Probably in this list, that's in the top 3 of the top whatever I have here. This is a bunch of ones I'm looking to get. All right, so Reina, Quant is recovering, is it? Thank you so much. I haven't seen you here before, by the way. I appreciate you being here. Consider changing your avatar to something that speaks of you because you're special to me and everyone here. And we will I don't think I'm going on a limb, but saying we all would like to get to know our family members a little better. All right, Crypto Talk Now family members. Now, he said Quant. Oh, there it is. QNT, Quant. It's recovering a little bit. All right, so currently down 4.8% in the last 24 hours. Oh, look at that. I saw it the other day when I looked at it, paid attention. Wasn't it like at $101 or something? Let's see. In the week, it was up as high as 112. All right, so now it's down to 85. So it's on sale. Thank you to all the people that talked about Quant because I'm learning more about it every day. Too much. Larry, the wealthy keep their money in cash, value whole life insurance. That's another thing you can borrow against that. Yes. They leverage their policies and create wealth in times like this, including myself. Cool. That's a good strategy. I talked about that a long time ago when I was 24 years old. Although we had variable life policies similar to whole life, just, I guess a little sexier. But if you're talking about if a life insurance policy could be sexy, I guess variable life would be a little bit sexier than whole life. But yeah, same concept. Put the money in there, borrow against it. That's it. You've got it down. You're borrowing against your assets. And it's great. Well, I'm not going to get into taxes. I'm not a CPA. All right. William, thoughts on Phantom? The thoughts on Phantom is I think that it's, it was distressed. It's still good. I think that it'll be okay. In the bull run, I think it'll pump. I'd love to see it get down further. Perhaps it's another one like XRP where I'd like to get around 25 cents. Right now it's at 29. I'm talking about just dollar cost averaging in around these points. All right. So we'll see. Tim Shea is laughing. Tim Shea, Edward V. Wizard Sell from the movie Seven. Where to buy XTC. Let's show you that real fast. So you guys can see this right here. Oh, by the way, let's talk about CoinMarketCap while we're on there. Oh my God, look. It sounds like a girl again. I don't like saying, oh my God, because that's just too emotional. That's just, something a girl would say. All right. Oh my God. I'll be a girl today. It's down almost 3%. Look at that. We're still under $1 trillion overall market cap. Now, how to buy XTC is the question. So any type of one that you're not sure about, if it's listed on CoinMarketCap, all right, here's XTC. You pull it up. And just so you guys know, you come over here. It's defaulted to the tab that says Overview. Now, you want to know where you can buy this XTC, for example? Click on Markets. All right, so there you go. You're clicking on Markets, and this is a list of all the places that you can currently buy it. You can see it right here. For example, some of the popular ones, Gate.io, KuCoin. Let's see what else is here. Bitfinex, Huobi Global. That's the Indian one, right? Indian exchange. All right, Bitmart. Pick your centralized exchange that you want to get into or get it on the decentralized side. There you go. You can do that with anything that's on CoinMarketCap. Just click on the word markets and you have a whole list of options to purchase that crypto. All right. XXI Gaming Gammon. I'm ready to see blood, to see a bloodbath. Sorry, I didn't see that. I like that cute little bathtub. He's laughing sideways. He's so, what good, Larry? We in the thing, ready to learn. We in this thing. We in this thing right now. We're in this thing. That's it. All right. So that's it. You're gonna, this is it. This is our moment of truth. We're going to see how far this thing goes. Or don't forget, don't be surprised if you see a relief rally coming because the market is perhaps planning this in. All right. I think, the interest rate's going to be tomorrow. Okay. Well, that makes sense because that's day 2 of their meeting. That's what Cool Cat Crypto is saying. All right. So we don't really know. Interesting. We'll have to find out. I'm sure that you guys that watch the news or pay attention closely are going to come up with a date and time soon. And when you find out, just send that to me on Twitter and I'll watch closely for the announcement. XXI Gaming Gammon. I'm a Clubs fan. What about you, Larry? I'm a Cubs fan. Clubs. I thought you meant clubs, like a dance club. I'm a Cubs fan. What about you, Larry? What's your team? Let's go Cubbies. Yes. I am something interesting. I am a passionate, since 5 years old, Yankee fan, ride and die all the way. But I'm a little bit different than the average Yankee fan because I am a fan of the sport. I am a pure fan of baseball, everything, history, current events, everything in the sport. So if you told me your favorite team like you did is the Cubs, I would be like, this is great. I'm looking for people that are passionate about their team. I'll sit down and watch a Cubs game with you. We could talk about the Cubs, all that stuff. So I am not, I'm not a Red Sox hater, for example. Yes, I know it's the greatest rivalry in sports. But, last night when the Yankees weren't on, I was listening to some of the Red Sox game. So it's just, I enjoy the sport. So, yeah. So I am a Yankees fan, but try not to hold that against me if you hate the Yankees. Salamander, the Federal Reserve is trying to slow inflation by hiking interest rates without causing a downturn. But experts say a soft landing is looking less probable, really. The Fed is expected to push rates higher. Probably in September again. All right. So I don't know what's going on. I'm not privy. I'm not on the inside. This is some good news. We won't talk about the good news just yet. All right. So this is the recession. Here. Okay. So, well, yes. Here's some bad news. Look, we can only be doom and gloom today. No, it's not true. We'll talk about good stuff. This is bad. This might be one of the worst things that I've seen in a while. Coinbase reportedly facing SEC probe over crypto listings. This is bad. Didn't Mark Cuban just come out too? I can't find the article right now. Mark Cuban said, if you think it's bad now, wait till you see what the SEC has planned or what he thinks is happening or going to happen. This is crap, in my opinion. They shouldn't even be looking at this stuff. They're usurping their authority. The SEC is usurping their authority. They shouldn't be even looking at Coinbase. They're not. What are they trying to do here? You know what they're trying to do? They're doing exactly what I told you they're trying to do. They're going after the low-hanging fruit. They're going after two things. They're the easiest things to go after. They're going after, number one, the unstable stablecoins, or if you like to call them stablecoins. None of them are stable because they all depeg. That doesn't show stability to me. All right, they're going after the stablecoins, number one, Allah, because of, is that even the right word to say? Via Allah, I don't even know what to say. Because of it, as a result of the stupid Terra Luna crash that they're probably involved with. That, really hurt a lot of people. It caused a lot of chaos and suffering and people losing, everything. They lost millions and billions. I don't even know how much money was lost. Tons of money. Oh my God, a big tragedy. Now there goes the oh my God. I don't know why I keep sounding like a girl today. Oh my God, we're all going to die type scenario. That sent shockwaves through the crypto market, right? And then what happens? Now it's all of a sudden this type of crap going after number two, which is the centralized exchanges. It's the low-hanging fruit. They're all going bankrupt. They're everybody's in trouble. If we're not going bankrupt, we might, I don't know what. Freeze your funds. You won't be able to get your crypto. I don't even know. So you know what happens? The false white horse comes in. The false white horse is the regulatory bodies coming in to save everyone. That's what they want. They want more control. Coinbase reportedly facing SEC probe over crypto listings. This is really, really bad. This is bad. This is bad for all you guys looking to start a token and hoping they don't get on a big exchange. All right. Thank you so much. We got to give credit. Thank you to Jana Serafron. We'll just call you Jana. Thank you, Jana, from Coinbase. I don't know what. No, this is who wrote this? Oh, Crypto Daily in the UK. Thank you, Crypto Daily. All right. All right. Here we go. Regulatory scrutiny into the exchange has increased since Coinbase expanded the number of digital tokens. Do you think that there's a reason why, people wonder why their token is not going to get on Coinbase, crypto.com? This is the reason why. Why? Because Coinbase and crypto.com and all the big exchanges are scared. They're scared. They're scared of this type of crap happening. And now it's happening. That's been going on behind the scenes for a long time. They just don't come out and say it. But they've been being looked at for a long time. All these exchanges have. Boy. Along with that, Coinbase suffered heavy blows last week when a former product manager, we know about this, along with the other two, was charged with insider trading. First such case involving cryptocurrency. When are people going to wake up? They're coming for your crypto. How is this insider trading? How is it insider trading if it's not even regulated? I didn't know. How is this insider trading? Can someone please explain to me how there's insider trading in crypto? If it's not being regulated, how is it then deemed insider trading? You know what they're doing? They're setting up a path of destruction. They are setting up a path of destruction. It might be a good thing for those of you that think like me, because I'm waiting for everything to crash and burn so we can build it back up. Not better. It won't be better. Please do not say build back better, because it won't be better. But we could still profit. I hope we could profit, unless they take that away too. They'll make it into, I don't even know what crypto will become if they really get their way. Boy, do you see this right here? The first such case involving cryptocurrencies. Okay, the charges have been brought forward by the Department of Justice, another regulatory body in the U.S., and the SEC. Now they're both after them and alleged that the former employee tipped his brother and friend on crypto assets due to the listing on the exchange. The SEC filed additional securities fraud charges against the accused, saying that 9 digital assets involved in the alleged insider trading were securities. You remember when I read that article the other day, that one of them was AMP. That's why I'm watching AMP closely, because they're going to drag it through the mud, which makes the value go down, but it's still good. All right. Coinbase maintains that it does not list securities on its platform. Thank you so much. With the former chief legal officer, Paul Grewal, stating that we 100% disagree with the SEC's assertion that any of the crypto assets we list are securities. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for making that statement. We 100%, I'm going to break this desk. We 100% disagree. Shame on you. Shame on you, SEC. How dare you usurp your authority? Stay out of the crypto market. The only thing you're doing is driving the price down and scaring the hell out of everybody that we're all going to die. And that's the only benefit to me. That's the only benefit to someone like me that sees this thing getting just scared to the ground. They can't stay out. They just cannot keep their hands off of it. How is it? What is it? What? Can someone please explain to me where the regulation is coming from if there is no regulation in crypto? We just need to have regulation in crypto. Why is the SEC doing it? Because they're just going to make the claim that it's a security? Boy, I just get so fired up with this crap. Grewal elaborated that Coinbase has a process that analyzes and reviews all digital assets before they are made available on the exchange. Well, I would hope so. A process that the SEC has reviewed. Why? Why is the SEC even involved in reviewing that crap? Coinbase is the largest U.S. trading platform and lets users trade more than 150 tokens. Okay. SEC Chair Gary Gensler has previously said that Coinbase should register as a national securities exchange due to some of its listed cryptocurrencies. No, it should not. It should not register as a, whatever they said, national securities exchange. Yes, national security. They should not do that. They should not do that. Because why? Because they're not trading securities. People are not buying securities on their platform. There's no stocks there. There's no equities. They're not securities. I thought we already went through this crap. God, I can't stand this stuff. The firm would need to, they're just ruining everything. The firm would need to register as an exchange with the SEC to remain operational. The cryptocurrency platform has previously asked the regulator to develop rules that work for digital asset securities. You see that? The cryptocurrency platform has previously asked, they're asking regulators to develop rules that work for digital asset securities. You know what they're saying there? They don't know the freaking rules because they're not telling them what they're violating. What are they violating? It's a security now? How do we know that? Can't stand this stuff. This is not in the true spirit of crypto. It's not what it was for. It's supposed to be decentralized, and now it's just a mess. But it could turn out to be a benefit for those of you looking to get bargain basement prices for things you believe in. All right, I'm going to calm down a little bit. I'm sorry I'm behind in the comments. All right, so we didn't even get to the news. So my blood was boiling. All right. We got off of the tangent. We were talking about the Cubs, and somehow it turned into me getting mad about the SEC. Salamander in space. The Federal Reserve is trying to slow inflation by hiking interest rates. It's causing downturn. Oh, yeah, we read this one. I'm sorry. Quant. Yep, we read about that. Let's see, dude. Oh, Nate. Does anyone know what happened to Saitama V1? Is it going to migrate to V2 anytime later? Well, I don't understand. I'm not keeping abreast of everything. Is that the right word, abreast? I'm not keeping informed. I don't really care at this point because I'm going to look right now. Let's see. I'm going to check one of my small MetaMask wallets on my phone. I don't keep larger ones of anything on my phone. All right, free. Let's see. And let's see. What do we got? All right. So nope. They still haven't given me my airdrop. So I don't know what's going on. You're going to have to message the devs and ask them what. I don't even know. Edward Vincent, Jason T. McNamara, thanks for the heads up. Raina, Kilmus, Climus, thank you for being here. Appreciate you. He's saying the interest rate will be announced tomorrow. Amu, Fed raised rates is today. Oh, it's going to be today at 2 p.m.? Really? 2 p.m. what? That's when they're going to announce 2 p.m. What time zone? Tim Shea. I don't think it's Eastern because usually they would operate on Eastern time. It's like 3:41 Eastern Standard Time now. Nay, it already did. If you didn't get your tokens, they are saying you will need to fill out a form. Check the Telegram. Good luck. I'm not even going to bother with it, but I guess that's what they're saying. All right. Stardog. Thought so, Coochie. I'll do it someday when I'm bored. Tim Shea, I have nothing better to do. I'll fill out their form. Let's see. Hey, Jason T. Cool Cat Crypto. Honestly, I wouldn't sink 1 more cent into anything Luna related right now. Not looking very good to me. Little Hero. Will Bitcoin go back to 15K? Thank you so much for being here, Little Hero. You're a big hero to us. Thank you for being here. Will Bitcoin go back to 15K? I'm not sure. I don't really know at this point. I said that it would go to 12K before the end of the year, and I don't know when that is, and I'm going to just stick with it. But I'm not a fortune teller. Nate, I got the V2 airdrop. Does that mean I have V1 and V2? I don't think so. I just think it just means you have. I don't even know. You know what? I'm not going to speak for the dev team of Saitama. You're going to have to sort that out with them because I'm not no longer engaged in researching Saitama. I'm just not. I'm disenfranchised. If I'm not going to get my airdrop tokens personally after I've made 105 videos, they can send me a check for 10 grand for all the money I brought into it. And if they're not going to send me a check for 10 grand, then I don't care. Cool Cat Crypto, Luna. Cool Cat Crypto. Sala is an XDC pimp. All right. Okay. Coochie Boy, Stardog. I believe shipments can in from Germany, and the plant has since restarted production. Okay, I'm not sure what that was. All right, Garrett. Finally, my Saitama V2 tokens are in my trust. Well, that's good. I'm not, I'm rooting for all you guys that have Saitama. I hope it does well. Me personally, I'm just feeling disenfranchised by the whole thing because I deserve I just deserve my airdrop. How long has it been? I don't even know. Was it about a month or so? I don't even know. Thank God I sold off a bunch before this crap happened with the merge or whatever it is, the upgrade to a V2. A moot. Bitcoin is going to 15K. If they hike the rate to 100%, that would be fabulous. I don't even use that word much. It would be awesome. Then I could buy at a good price, not Bitcoin, but other stuff. Nate, if you try to trade V1, shouldn't have any value. If it does, go for it. That would be with Saitama, anything's possible. It would be funny if you had access to trading and making money from your V1 and V2 at the same time. That would be crazy. Anything is possible. Cool Cat Crypto. KuCoin is where I buy XTC. All right. Nate, thanks, Tim Shea. Cool Cat Crypto. Heck yes. Bring on the mega bloodbath. That's what I'm saying. I'm ready. I've got my pitchfork ready. Look, I will follow these cryptos to the gates of hell. I won't go to hell. I will follow them to the gates of hell. And then I will buy at a big time discount. I'm ready. I've got my pitchfork ready just in case I have to fight off any demons or a devil or something. I'm going to be down there waiting and buying at the bottom, like a catfish, a bottom feeder. I'm going to be, you know what? I'm going to be a catfish. All right, Larry, don't talk about hell. It's just too. Okay, I'm going to be on the bottom of the lake as a catfish. I'm literally going to be a catfish eating everything on the very bottom. All the cryptos have fallen to the bottom of the lake. I'm a catfish, and I'm eating them up. There you go. We need to be catfish. Don't eat, okay, so don't be a catfish and eat the crap. The catfish eat bad stuff, don't they? Eat the good stuff. If you're a healthy, you dine on healthy things as a catfish. You know what, Larry? That's a bad analogy. Never mind. I'm second guessing myself. Legrand Commission. Hello, everyone. Thank you for the support in the new Facebook group. Keep it up. Thank you to Larry and Max also for the hard work every day to keep us up to date with all their crypto news. If you guys could do a favor, since we're not allowed to stream in there, well, StreamYard is, it doesn't like StreamYard or something. My Facebook account got deleted. But if you could do this, if you could take this stream, if someone could do that, where is the Facebook group? Oh, here it is. All right. So Crypto Talk Now official. If someone could do us a favor, multiple people's fine. Grab this stream. Well, we stream every day, 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. Eastern, right? Max will be back again tonight, 9 p.m. If you guys could take the stream, the live stream, we'd love to have a live stream going in here right now where I'm talking. I'd like to see that in this page. If you could figure it out, I'd appreciate it. I can't join the group. I don't even have Facebook right now. So I got to get in there. All right. So there's that. Now, what's the other thing I was going to tell you? Now, okay. I'm losing my train of thought because I was thinking about Facebook and how mad they make me. All right. So, I know. I'll talk to you a little bit about this here. So let's talk about Max for a second. Let's see. We got 7,529 subscribers. Real people. And people come and go, and that's their prerogative. But can't force anyone to subscribe. But look, if you guys want to learn more about, this is our stream right now, right? But if you want to learn more about a bunch of stuff, there were 7 videos made by Max. Like one on XTC, Shiba Inu, Quant, Luna Classic, Burn, and this is that Lunatics token, XRP. You think that the people at Lunatics token could contact us since Max is making all these videos for them for free? No, they can't contact us. All right. I guess they don't care. All right. FOMO, Taps, Ripple, XRP. Another Shiba Inu one. And then news from, this is an interesting one. CoinView Cap has merged with Shinobi. Keith and Cliff being good friends. It's just interesting one to me. All right. So there you go. Now, Cool Cat Crypto. Something is today. Not sure what. Something is today. Not sure what. Some report. All right. That's what's getting announced. Tim Shea, Legrand Commission, April. Mrs. Michael, April Cornwell. Hey. Dropping some flowers, saying hello. Thank you for stopping by. Tim Shea says, hey, April, Cool Cat Crypto. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry, I missed a super chat or super sticker. Thank you to Mr. Michael Cornwell, April's husband. Thank you for the $1 donation. All right, so we have the up and coming crypto couple. The power, the dynamic duo of the Cornwells is here in the chat. Appreciate that. Now I sound like every time I rhyme, I think of Selma Fudd. I don't even try to rhyme, and it just spits out sometimes. All right, so Cool Cat Crypto XRP is officially Sharia law compliant. Oh, really? I did not know that, which is huge. That means all the Middle East countries will use it. That is very big. One less hurdle. That's good. All right, Jason T. Me Gerd. All right. Cool Cat Crypto, including Dubai and Saudi Arabia. Yes. Dubai may be, it is the most friendly place in the world for crypto. The place that is literally lined with gold. People literally eat food with gold in it. Yes. So I guess maybe Peter Schiff would also like it, but I doubt it. All right. So Sir William. Oh, good. You're a Dodgers fan since 1987. All right. So one of my fondest memories was as a child was watching Who was it? Kirk Gibson. Hobble out, hit a home run in the World Series. And I'm trying to remember what year that was. Whew. Well, I can't remember. It was in the 80s, right? Was it Kirk Gibson? Wait a minute. Hold on a second. Now I'm getting all messed up. Now I'm starting to remember. All right. So Kirk Gibson home run. Was it with the Dodgers? Yeah. Oh, it was in the World Series, 1988. Quite the memory. Yeah, here it is right here. All right. So that was incredible. He could barely walk and he hits a home run. He comes in as a pinch hitter. I remember that. All right. So that was so good. So you were a Dodgers fan. I actually like watching the Dodgers too. Look, I like watching baseball. And when my Yankees are on, even when they're on, I have to watch all the highlights. I keep apprised of what's going on. Dodgers are a great team, and they have a tremendous history. You know what? Hold on one second. I'll be right back. I'll show you something I actually have in the studio. I haven't hung up yet. Here you go right here. You're a Dodgers fan. You see that right there? I have not hung it up yet. It says, if you can't read it, to Larry, good luck. Tom Lasorda. Tommy Lasorda right there. Dodgers. See, I told you I was a big fan of baseball. To Larry, good luck. Tommy Lasorda. Autographed by the infamous, he just passed away not too long ago, right? Tommy Lasorda. Isn't that cool? So I told you I'm a big fan of baseball. That's been sitting in the studio for months, and we haven't had anyone come and hang it up yet. I'm not going to hang it up. We'll get someone eventually. All right, Dodgers fans since 1987. So you were right before the World Series. All right, cool. Now, back to crypto or whatever we're talking about. Whatever you guys want to talk about. Oh, here you go. Legrand Commission. If we get 1 to 1.25 points tomorrow, expect blood in the streets. Oh, my God, that would be so wonderful. Remember what I read earlier. The wealthy make their money during times like these. And you can too. Maybe you already are wealthy. I don't even know. I mean, I'm not talking down to anybody. I'm just saying this is our opportunity. Wizard from the movie Cell. Wizard Cell from the movie 7. Is XDC on Uniswap or PancakeSwap? That's a good question. Which one is it on? Is it on the PancakeSwap? Is it through BNB? I don't even know, to be upfront with you. I haven't tried to purchase it yet. Cool Cat can tell you. Jason T. McNamara, XDC is on Uphold. Stardog, pretty sure a member of the UK government recently said it was impossible for any country to ban crypto trading. But we already knew that. That's great. Thank you. Cool Cat Crypto. Oh, it's today. Sir William. And if they do make U.S. crypto platforms to list as securities exchanges, they will enact the pattern day. Oh, boy. They will? They will enact a pattern day trading rules. The next thing will happen is I won't even be able to talk about crypto anymore. I mean, that's really doom and gloom, but at least I don't even know. All right. Legrand Commission, they're expecting 75. Anything above that will cause everything to crash. God, I'm really rooting for it. I hate to say this. I hope you guys don't lose money. But I'm just coming from a position of crypto, cash talk now. I'm thinking about the cash I have on the sides just waiting. So I shouldn't say that. From a selfish standpoint, I want it to crash. Cool Cat Crypto, at Legrand. Then let's hope for a full 2 points then. Cool Cat Crypto is laughing. Cool Cat Crypto, I want to see Kramer dive off a building. It gets up. Oh, what's his name there? Is it Jim Kramer? I don't even know. The guy that rants and raves, I don't even know. What is it? Squawk Box? Do they have Squawk Box anymore? I haven't watched TV in years, guys. Boomer effing sooner, late, but here. And I have hit the like button. Thank you. Have you? That's a good question. Ask yourselves the question. Have you hit the like? And if you haven't, please consider doing so. Boomer effing sooner. Rest in peace, Wally Cleaver. Ward wasn't as hard on you as he was the Beaver. Okay. Sounds like something Max would say. Cool Cat Crypto. Max did a good XDC bid. All right, cool. Thank you. Yes, guys, don't forget to check them out. If you haven't seen it, there they are. Bunch of videos from Max. Okay. We appreciate Max for doing all that. It takes a lot of time, and also it takes a lot of time to make the thumbnails. Oh, here's something new. Here's somebody new. Mentalek. Thank you. A distinguished gentleman with a suit and tie. Appreciate you being here. He says Bitcoin to 16 or 12K. If that's what you're thinking, you might be right. I don't even know. I've said 12, but I'm not saying it's going to happen right away. I'm just saying it's happening before the end of the year. And, I can't get in trouble for that because I've already won. Back on June 2nd, when it was 30,000, everyone kept saying it's going to go up and up. I said, dude, it's not going to do that. It's going to have a sharp correction. It's going to, someone came on here and said it's going to, when it was 24,000, it wouldn't go below 24,000. And I said, not only will it go below 24,000 in the short term, it'll go below 20. A couple days later, it went below 20. I am not, I'm just using things that I'm reading and understanding. And most of it is from the world economy. And I'm just saying 12 because that's what I believe. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but I'm already right. I'm a lot closer than Plan B. Plan B said 100,000 by the end of the year last year. And what was Bitcoin? 46, 47,000. He was off by over $50,000. That's not, to me, someone that should be, I don't know. His stock to flow was good 2 or 3 months in a row, and then he wasn't so good. I would prefer someone to be a little bit more consistent and not be off by 50 grand. Legrand Commission. Cool Cat Crypto. Yeah, I hope so. If everything crashed, we could buy more. Exactly. Yoga Matt laughing at Boomer. Cool Cat Crypto at Legrand. Tim Shea. Boomer. Oh, look at this. Tim Shea's really getting into NFTs. He has another NFT in his avatar, but I'm not sure where that comes from. Thank you again. And he's always changing. All right. Boomer F and Sooner. Tim, common sense. What a 24 hours. Yep. It's going to be a lot of interesting stuff. I'm just being patient, tying my hands and hiding my seed phrases and passwords. And I don't even want to even look at anything. I will look at the stuff on here, but I don't want to look at my wallet. None of my wallets. I'm going to throw my, no, I'm not going to throw away my ledgers, but I'm going to hide them from myself. Sick Ren, thank you for coming back with the Adidas avatar. Dubai already has a crypto on the rise. It's called Rove Token, and it's backed by the Crown Prince of Dubai. Do your own research. Good luck, everyone. Thank you for that. Common sense. CBC will merge with Shinobi in 2 months. Okay, thank you for the update. I know Max made a video. Appreciate the you updating us. Boomer F and Sooner. So will my 1 billion Shinja be worth more than $1? No way. I can easily answer that one. Cool Cat Crypto. Alphabet reports after bell. Cool Cat Crypto, whatever that is. Coochie Boy, Sick Ren. I tried to inform the group on that one, but they frown on the memes. Oh, okay. Cool Cat Crypto. Plan B is on the Plan Z now. Yeah, he's sleeping. He's in hibernation. Too much. Larry, you guys are going to review the Shinobi and CBC merger. Yeah, I'm sure we would. That it'll be like probably a hot topic, an area of intrigue. But we do have a video already out, or Max has done a quick, basically an announcement. It's a short video just saying about the merger. So, Tim Shea, shout out to Michael Avelli NFTs. Okay, though that's where the NFT collection is. Coochie Boy at Sick Ren. I'm certainly increasing my bag though. All right. So that is that. Now, I guess we can come over here and see what else I had planned to talk about. Because every time I plan to talk about things, I don't completely talk about them because we get sidetracked talking about other cool stuff like the Cubs and cool things. Crypto market dips below 1 trillion. We talked about that. As recession fears loom. Really? Now we're just starting to think about the recession. We already are in a recession. But, they have to, they have indicators and they have to, old men in suits have to come out and say it. And, beautiful women in fancy clothes on the news have to tell you that we're in a recession. It's for you guys to know, but you guys are smart. You already know. Bitcoin tumbled to 21,000 Tuesday, dragging the rest of the cryptocurrency market down with it. Really? And what has caused Bitcoin to tumble? Could it be the world economy? Key takeaways. And by the way, we have to give credit to this. This is written by Chris Williams. Thank you, Chris Williams from Crypto Briefing. Appreciate the article. The cryptocurrency market suffered a correction Tuesday with the Ethereum ecosystem taking a big hit. Well, in fairness, it did, take the market with it in a pump the other day, a relief rally. Talking about Ethereum. The dip comes as markets brace for major earnings reports, the next Federal Reserve meeting, and Q2 GDP print over the next few days. Wow. That sounds like the stock market. I guess the crypto market has not depegged from the rest of the financial markets. After today's dip, the value of cryptocurrency market has fallen below 1 trillion. All right. So Ethereum markets brace for volatility. The downturn comes ahead of a few busy days for the financial markets. Why? Wow, this sounds like the stock market. Alphabet and Microsoft are due to report on their second quarter earnings later this evening. Now, when was this written? This was today, I believe. All right. That's what they're saying. All right. While Meta, AKA our friends at Facebook, will disclose its takings for the same period tomorrow. On Thursday, Amazon, watch out for those two. Amazon and Apple will both reveal their earnings. If Amazon's report's bad, that's going to be bad. And same thing with Apple. Traders will be watching the big tech company calls closely over the next few days as they could give us an indication of the state of the economy. Tesla revealed, didn't Walmart come out with a bad report? Tesla revealed last week that it had reduced its Bitcoin position by 75% in the second quarter. No one cares about Elon Musk in the crypto market. That's what I was told the other day by a viewer. All right, so they don't care about him anymore. We don't care about Elon Musk, supposedly. And we don't care about Tesla either. Tesla spent $1.5 billion on Bitcoin at an average cost basis of around $32,000 per coin in early 2021. But Bitcoin tumbled as low as $18,000. Well, they did this to help their balance sheet with liquidity. All right. So all these earning reports are coming out. The markets are bracing for Wednesday's Federal Open Market Committee. Federal Chair, the old man coming out of the cave, Jerome Powell, is expected to announce a 75 basis point interest rate hike as the central bank aims to curb soaring inflation rates. In the U.S., the Fed's recent rate hike has led to market sell-offs as investors look to move risk off. Here, another thing, another little nugget here. The Bureau, this is the reason why I read instead of watching. The Bureau of Economic Analysis, GDP, print for the second quarter of the year is also slated to drop this Thursday. Oh, wow. More bad news for the economy, potentially reinforcing the signs of a looming recession. If the economy shows another retraction, the economy shrank by 1.6% in quarter one. That's right. GDP was negative 1.6. I remember that. All right. We don't need to know about the White House and the Treasury Secretary. All right. So there you go. So there is all your doom and gloom news for you doom and gloomers fans. I'm back. You know what? There's an old song. The James Brown song. And he starts out by saying, I'm back. All right. So how much do you think portfolios will X during the next Bitcoin halving? Some are saying Bitcoin to 500K. That's pretty aggressive. Well, the next halving is not until April 2024. I think that whoever is saying that is being extremely off their rocking chair. 500,000 is just out of the picture. But that's just somebody being, probably a Bitcoin maxi. Legrand Commission, 150K. Bitcoin more reasonable. Yes, that could be possible. But it's crypto, so 500K Bitcoin is possible. It's possible in the future. But remember, the regulatory bodies are trying to come in and do something that I don't even know what they're trying to do. Trying to kill crypto, trying to, regulate it, trying to change it. It's like this. It's like okay. Look, If you're in a relationship, the woman gets into the relationship and oftentimes tries to change the man. The man's not going to change. That's the newsflash. The SEC, the Department of Justice, all these regulatory bodies are trying to come in and change crypto. They have tremendous power. They have all the legal experts. They have all the money. They can actually do anything they want. So they are trying to come in and change the rugged individualist, the crypto person, if you will. They're trying to change the crypto market. Will they win and succeed? Will they break the crypto market? Will they change it into something it doesn't want to become? That's the question. We will have to wait and see. All right. So I know you guys think my analogies are nuts, but all right. I'm back. Do you think we are having such a sell-off because whales insiders know it's going to be 100? That's a very good question. I don't know. It's very strange. It could be that, they know it's 75 and they want it. Look, we're all going to die. That's what you're hearing in the news. The economy is going to be the worst ever. They do this type of stuff to drive things down. In case you guys haven't figured out their little game, they do it. They've been doing it in Wall Street. It's been going on for forever. So are they doing this because then they know it's going to be just 75? It's not such a big deal, and it'll be like a relief rally from there. I don't know. I really don't know. There's a lot of psychology. There's a lot of it's psychological warfare. The stuff that you read in the press is being controlled by the ones that are controlling it. They control the markets, and they also control what is written. So it's hard to really decipher. It is. Cool Cat Crypto. It's bad news. Bring on the red. Yes, bring on the red markets. Cool Cat Crypto. They all fell short of the estimates. You think so? I'm back. Hell yeah. Bring on the red. All right. 69.69. 69.69. All right. Okay. That's it. I'm tapping out as if I'm an MMA fighter. I've really enjoyed you guys. This has been a great show. Once again, come back for an even better show, a special show tonight, the Max and Larry show. Make sure you're there if you'd want to. If you can't be there, I understand. But if you're not doing anything better, come. Oh, I'm back. Google fell short. Check Twitter. All right, let's check it. Thank you for that. All right, we can't leave just yet. We have to see what's going on. All right. What happened to Google? Google made their estimates. Google estimates. Maybe I'll just type it in that way. Check Twitter. How about we just type in Google earnings, Larry? Google earnings report. Is that what we're looking at? Is that what we're waiting on? Trying to find. Let's see. They spelled earnings wrong too. 55 minutes ago. Here we go. Thank you to Jelly at Crypto Jelly NL. Let's blow it up and look. Let's digest this together, please. Microsoft, Google, and Visa earnings after the bell. Tomorrow, Fed decision. Thursday, GDP report could signal unofficial recession. All right. Okay, so this is why I'm saying this week is for all the marbles. All could provide some interesting moves on the stock. You know what? I'm gonna actually retweet this. This was like a well-written one. All right. I like this. This is, boom, 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 boom. Give me the facts. All could provide some interesting moves on the stock market and therefore on your crypto bags too. This is a great one. I'm glad I found this. Good luck. Have fun. Easy on the leverage. Well, I don't use leverage. I hope you guys don't either. All right, here it is. Let's blow it up, can we? Okay, Microsoft Corporation. You guys know that. There's the market cap. I'm even going to attempt to say those numbers. Fiscal quarter ending June 2022. Consensus EPS forecast. There they all are. Google, Alphabet. That's what it is right there. Alphabet Incorporated. That's their parent. I don't even know what you would call it. Shell company. Visa. There it is. Okay, so is what he's saying. Here's the report. Remember, he's saying tomorrow is the Fed decision. GDP report could signal unofficial recession. Okay, so here's what's going on, guys. The reports are coming out. These corporate earnings reports are coming out. If they're not looking good, if the Fed does something nuts and raises it to 100 basis points after they just raised it last month to 75 basis points, first time since 1994, largest increase. Let's see. For all you fans of red, meaning a blood red market, you might be in for a treat. Or maybe not. I don't even know. Legrand Commission. See you guys tonight. Coochie Boy. MSFT misses also. Oh, Microsoft. Watcher Guru has the actual news. Okay, I'm back. Let's okay. We like Watcher Guru. Let's try to find Watcher Guru. All right, let's get something in here. 1.2 million followers. Just in, Microsoft reports 51.87 billion in revenue quarter 2022. Just in, Google reports 69. Oh, that's what he said. 60. Interesting number there. I thought this was a joke. 69.69 billion in revenue. Okay. Just in, Polygon Matic has reported 5.34 million unique addresses and 284 million. Okay. So, shall we check out? Let's check out Google. We won't look at both of them right now. Oh, Elon Musk is laughing. Someone put a meme up there. Okay. So that's it. I guess there's no story, but this is just a report. All right. So there it is. Thank you. Let's see. Everyone in the chat is well equipped to handle the crash. All are educated on their investments. Good to see. Back to mowing the lawn. All right, cool. I would mow the lawn. You know, that's something that my lawn is overdue for mowing. Right now, it's very dark here. It looks like we're getting another storm. We do need the rain because I need to grow some more tomatoes and peppers and everything. Stay safe, everyone. XXI Gaming, 1 full point for me. Laugh out loud. All right, I'm back. Microsoft reports 51.87 billion. See, Elon Musk is laughing. XXI Gaming. See you guys tonight. All right, thank you. We will see you tonight. 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Max and Larry Show. Don't miss it. Appreciate you guys. Stay safe.